Namaste, everybody. And when you have fantastic speakers before you, it's a challenge, especially when Mr. Tyagi is there. So I was telling him that how passionate you are with the work. So we wait for the questions, or you want me to speak something? Well, when I was listening to your talk, I remembered one incident which happened a couple of years back, and where we got inspired about this IoT and the task force before even we came in power, kind of thing. So let me take you to a place which is very new. Delhi, you know this place, Hisar, which is in Haryana. बहुत अजीब किस्सा है. Some senior ladies, they got some stomach ache. They used to get some problems, loose motions, and they would visit the doctor, the local GP. And the GP would prescribe some tablets. They would get remedy out of that, and it was going on. That's nothing a problem, probably. So why do we talk about this? This used to happen over the period. And this happens at everybody's house. You have a stomach upset and you take some tablets and things solve. One of the companies sitting here, they put a small e-health center there. Now these ladies, in place of going to the GP, the general practitioner, they visited this place. Same problem, same tablets. So the tablets don't change, right? So there is same problem. They recommended this tablet. They took the tablets. Problem is solved. And it's a very simple thing. Upset hai, खराब है, गोली खाली ठीक हो गई. Somebody sitting not in Hisar, somewhere outside, all of a sudden found one thing. And he said, इन सारी औरतों को प्रॉब्लम मंगलवार होता है. They have problem only on Tuesday. So what's the big deal? There are 10 girls, somebody who gets problem, they have stomach upset, somebody gives a tablet, things are okay. Why do you have to cry about it कि मंगलवार को ही होता है? सर ये मंगलवार को ही होता है, ये सिर्फ ये 20 लेडीज को ही होता है. होता का कुछ खाते हैं कि probably something else. And they found out that they are particular caste. If I can use this, I don't want to use this, but for the academic purpose, from the so-called upper class or something. So what? Rahul, you never had a stomach upset or what? You had tablets, right? So, Mangalwar ko hota hai probably. So they started doing a deep dive, and what they realized is, this is a section of society which has this upset stomach. They started studying it, and they found out that they all go to one particular god's temple on Monday. पानी डालते हैं, वो प्रसाद लेते हैं, पी लेते हैं, शायद पानी में infection होगा. So the solution was very simple. They started cleaning the temple on Sunday. भस्म आरती करते हैं, संडे को डिटॉक्स ये कर देते हैं, उसको डिसइंफेक्ट कर देते हैं, मंदिर साफ हो गया. And so Tuesday, nobody has problem now. And then they monitor it for 9 months or 10 months. None of these ladies came on Tuesday to the e-health center for tablets. You all are learned. We had IS officers and serious people who have done changes in this country. And when I saw this problem and then this solution which came up, it opened our eyes. The solution to the medical problem was not medical. The solution to the medical problem was internet. It was the data captured there, been analyzed by somebody sitting thousands of kilometers away from there, when an analytics tool was run over that, and they came to know that this is the problem and this is the solution to the problem. Think about our generations to come. When a sister of mine, today's Bhaiya Dusso, let me address it. If a sister of mine takes a simple tablet, the generations to come will have modified genes, right? Sir, you are a learned person. Every tablet you grab in, next generation is going to get impacted. If I have a solution which is non-interventive, when I have a solution which is non-medical for the medical issues, I not only save money, my time, blah, 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 everything. So in Ministry of Surface Transport Shipping, when this example was discussed, we said, why do we have to send an auditor to understand what is the repair requirement of a road? Can I go to a CM of Dell, tell him, why don't you make a device which I can embed in the road. It tells me that कि मेरा condition खराब हो गया, मुझे ठीक कर दो. Is it possible? Do we have cars where we don't have to pay cash? I buy a car, I don't go to RTO, and I sell the car, and the entire life which I use, fees or fines. So fees can be registration, maybe transfer fees, maybe toll, parking, or fines. I don't pay in cash. And we all would agree that cash is a disease, right, sir? Bipin sir ko to pata hi hai ki, so we laughed at. So we were thinking about this, and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, when Deepak ji invited me here, I said I will not be able to speak because we are in the final leg of finalizing our report, which we are submitting to the minister, and probably maybe next 4 or 5 days or maybe max 1 week we will submit the report. So it is not good for me to speak beyond this. And he's a dear friend, so I promised him that I'll come to the event. If there are questions which I can answer, I'll be happy to answer that. I'll be available offline outside the dais beyond this. And let me hear and get enlightened by the other speakers who are here. But if there are quick 1 or 2 questions I can address, and then later on I can wait here for half an hour and address those questions. Or otherwise I'll have to thank everybody to give me a patience hearing of this 2 minutes. I think we'll have to call the next speaker. You have the awards? Yeah. Anyways, I'll be waiting here. So because what you can do is you can continue with the program. I'm getting a lot of learning from Tripathi ji, who is sitting on my right hand side and giving me a lot of talk. So let me hear him out. And anybody has any questions, I'll be happy to address it offline. And thank you for calling me here. Thank you.